Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to reset your Genshin Impact account's password if you've ever forgotten it. Whenever you are trying to log into your Hoyoverse account and if you notice that you don't remember your password, then do not worry at all and follow through the instructions. First of all, open the Genshin Impact app, and when you come to this login page, click on Forgot Password. On the next page, you can enter your username or email associated with your account in the text box. After typing down your email, click on Next and then follow through the instructions. You may need to verify that you are not a robot or so, and once you are done, you'll be asked for a security verification code that will be sent to you on your provided email. Simply go ahead and open up the email inbox and you'll receive an email from Hoyoverse. Type down the email code that you received. Once you do that, on the next page, it'll ask you to set a password. Enter a new password you want to change to, and once you are done typing down the new password, enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, click on Complete and you have successfully changed your password for your account. Now you can enter the newly updated password to log into your account. And there you have it. That's how you easily reset your forgotten password on Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.